Put your phone away. We're at a funeral.
Oh, my God.
Look! It's Saggy Naggy! You're mean. I don't like you, Saggy Naggy. You stink, Saggy Naggy.
My goodness, that's a very rude thing to say to someone. Calling them saggy. What